Discover 15 tools that are too perfect to be real but they are. These amazing inventions are built with precision, innovation, and functionality in mind, making everyday tasks look effortless. From futuristic gadgets to genius problem-solving devices, this must-see collection showcases tools that push the limits of design and performance. Whether you're a DIY lover, a tech enthusiast, or just curious, these tools will leave you speechless. Don't miss out on these unbelievably cool creations. Product 1. Product name Saker 42-in-1 Screwdriver Set. The Saker 42-in-1 Screwdriver Set is a versatile, compact toolkit designed for a wide range of household, tech, and DIY applications, making it an ideal companion for users already interested in multifunctional and portable tools like the Black Cube cordless soldering iron, Jorgensen mini hand planer, and precision devices like the Frozen Sonic Saber cutter. This multi-bit magnetic screwdriver set features 42 interchangeable bits housed in a sturdy storage case, allowing users to handle everything from furniture assembly and computer repairs to bicycle maintenance and general DIY projects. A standout feature is the ergonomic T-handle, which enhances torque and comfort during use, especially helpful for tasks that require precision and control. The magnetic design ensures secure bit retention, preventing drops or loss during intricate work. The gray color scheme and compact design align with modern tool aesthetics, making it both functional and stylish. Product 2. Product name BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro. The BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBDI-Scan tool is a professional-grade diagnostic tool designed for car owners and DIY mechanics who want reliable and comprehensive insight into their vehicle's health. Compatible with both iPhone and Android devices, this OBD2 scanner allows users to wirelessly diagnose issues with vehicles manufactured in 1996 and newer. What sets the BlueDriver apart is its no-subscription model. You get full access to its features without any ongoing fees. It can read and clear check engine light, cell, codes, and goes beyond basic code readers by also scanning ABS, SRS, airbag, and transmission systems, covering 7,000 plus potential issues. The scanner connects via Bluetooth and works with the free BlueDriver app, offering detailed repair reports, live data, freeze frame information, smog readiness, and more. Product 3. Product name American Lawn Mower. The American Lawn Mower Company 1204 to 14-14-inch 4-blade push-reel lawn mower is a compact and eco-friendly alternative to gas-powered lawn mowers, offering a classic design with modern efficiency. This mower is perfect for small to medium-sized yards and is ideal for environmentally conscious homeowners who prefer a quiet, low-maintenance option for lawn care. With its 14-inch cutting width and 4-blade ball-bearing reel, the 1204 to 14 model delivers a clean, precise cut that promotes a healthier lawn. The adjustable cutting height ranges from 0.5 to 1.75 inches, allowing users to tailor the trim to their grass type and preference. Its lightweight build, around 20 pounds, and T-style handle with cushioned grips ensure easy maneuverability and user comfort. Crafted by the American Lawn Mower Company, a trusted name with a legacy of over 125 years, this mower embodies durability, simplicity, and sustainability. It requires no gas, oil, or electricity, making it virtually maintenance-free and an excellent choice for reducing your carbon footprint. Product 4. Product name Milwaukee High Torque Impact Wrench. The Milwaukee 2967-20 M18 Fuel Trademark 1/2 High Torque Impact Wrench with friction ring is a powerful and durable tool designed for demanding fastening applications in automotive, industrial, and construction settings. As part of Milwaukee's highly regarded M18 Fuel Trademark system, this impact wrench delivers exceptional performance, combining raw torque, extended runtime, and enhanced control. Equipped with up to 1,200 ft-lbs of fastening torque and 1,600 ft-lbs of nut-busting torque, the 2967-20 easily handles stubborn, rusted, or over-torqued fasteners. Thanks to Milwaukee's Power State trademark brushless motor, it maintains peak power under load while ensuring long tool life. Additionally, the RedLink Plus trademark intelligence system prevents overheating and overloading by optimizing communication between the tool, battery, and charger. The friction ring, hog ring, design allows for quick and easy socket changes, which is ideal for mechanics and field service professionals who frequently swap sockets during use. Product 5. Product name King Tool 325-piece Home Repair Toolkit. The King Tool 325-piece Home Repair Toolkit is a comprehensive and versatile set designed for homeowners, DIYers, and handymen alike. Ideal for tackling a wide range of everyday tasks and repair jobs, this toolkit is well suited for both general home maintenance and auto repair projects. Housed in a durable toolbox storage case with a convenient built-in drawer, the kit ensures organized storage and easy access to tools when needed. The set includes a wide assortment of tools such as a claw hammer, pliers, wrenches, screwdrivers, hex keys, sockets, precision screwdrivers, a utility knife, measuring tape, level, and more, totaling 325 essential pieces. Whether you're assembling furniture, fixing a leaky faucet, performing routine car maintenance, or handling general repairs around the house, this kit provides everything you need in one place. Product 6. Product name 3-in-1 Digital Tape Measure. The 3-in-1 digital tape measure is a modern, multifunctional measuring tool that combines traditional tape, advanced laser distance measuring, and smart digital features into a single compact device ideal for both DIYers and professionals. It offers 330 feet of laser measurement capability, providing accurate, long-range results with an instant digital readout on its easy-to-read screen. The integrated auto-locking tape ensures ease of use during manual measuring tasks, while the extended laser line and incremental measurement mode make it perfect for precise layout and alignment work. Designed for convenience, the tool features a replaceable measuring tape and a swappable battery, ensuring longevity and reduced downtime. It also offers app sync, allowing users to log, save, and analyze measurements on their smartphone, ideal for project planning and job tracking. Whether you're setting up a new space, working on a renovation, or tackling a woodworking project, this 3-in-1 device simplifies and streamlines measuring tasks like never before. Product 7. Product name Evolution Power Tools. Evolution Power Tools is a reputable brand known for its innovative and reliable range of cutting and drilling tools, catering to both professional tradespeople and serious DIY enthusiasts. The company specializes in multipurpose tools engineered for performance, precision, and durability, particularly in metalworking and construction applications. One of their standout products is the Evolution Evomag 42 magnetic drilling system, a compact yet powerful tool designed to handle heavy-duty drilling tasks with ease and accuracy. This model features a 1-5/8 diameter drilling capacity and a 2 cutting depth, making it suitable for a variety of industrial and workshop applications. With its strong magnetic adhesion, it ensures stability during operation, allowing for safer and more precise drilling in steel structures and other ferrous materials. Product 8. Product name Scott's Turf Spreader. The Scott's Turf Builder EdgeGuard DLX Broadcast Spreader is a versatile and user-friendly tool designed for evenly distributing a variety of lawn care and maintenance materials, including grass seed, fertilizer, salt, and ice melt. This model features Scott's exclusive EdgeGuard technology, which allows users to block off the right side of the spread pattern to prevent product from spreading onto non-lawn areas like driveways, sidewalks, and flower beds, offering precise application control and reducing waste. Ideal for both lawn care in warmer months and de-icing in winter, the DLX model boasts a large capacity hopper that can hold enough product to cover up to 15,000 square feet, making it suitable for medium to large-sized yards. The spreader also features an ergonomic handle with easy-to-use control panel, allowing you to adjust the spread settings for different products with ease. Whether you're spreading fertilizer to green up your grass or applying salt to prevent icy walkways, The Scott's Turf Builder EdgeGuard DLX ensures consistent coverage, saving time and effort while delivering professional results. Product 9. Product name Dualt 20V MAX XR Cordless Ratchet. The Dualt 20V MAX XR Cordless Ratchet, DCF510B, is a powerful and efficient tool designed for professional mechanics and DIYers who demand durability and high performance. Offered as a bare tool only, this cordless ratchet is compatible with Dualt's 20V MAX battery system, ensuring seamless integration with your existing tools. The DCF510B features a sealed head design, available in both 3/8 and 1/2 drive sizes, making it suitable for a wide range of automotive and mechanical tasks. Its compact, low-profile head allows access to tight spaces, while the variable speed trigger offers precision control during fastening or removal. The brushless motor provides extended runtime and increased durability, hallmarks of Dualt's XR, Extreme Runtime, lineup. Product 10. Product name Dualt 20V MAX Reciprocating Saw. The Dualt 20V MAX Reciprocating Saw, DCS380B, is a powerful and versatile cutting tool designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Operating at up to 3,000 strokes per minute, SPM, it delivers fast and efficient cutting performance across a range of materials, including wood, metal, and plastic. The variable speed trigger provides enhanced control, allowing users to adjust the speed according to the task for greater precision and clean cuts. This model is sold as a bare tool, meaning it does not include a battery or charger, ideal for users who already own other tools in the Dualt 20V MAX system and want to expand their collection without redundant components. Its 4-position blade clamp allows for flush cutting and increased versatility, while the compact and ergonomic design ensures comfortable use in tight spaces. Product 11. Product name EcoFine Ratchet Wrench Set. The EcoFine Ratchet Wrench Set is a versatile and practical tool set designed for both auto repairs and household maintenance. It features a 46-piece 1/4-inch drive ratchet wrench set, making it ideal for various tasks that require precision and reliability. This set includes bit sockets in metric sizes and an extension bar, which allows for improved reach and flexibility when working in tight spaces. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike, the EcoFine Ratchet Wrench Set is especially useful for tasks like auto repairs, mechanical work, or general household maintenance that requires different socket sizes and types. The inclusion of the extension bar helps users access hard-to-reach areas with ease, ensuring that no task is too difficult. Product 12. Product name Dualt 20V MAX Circular Saw. The Dualt 20V MAX Circular Saw, DCS391B, is a powerful and reliable tool designed for professional and DIY woodworkers, offering high performance with its 6-1/2-inch blade and 460 MWO, max watts out, engine. It's a bare tool, meaning it doesn't come with a battery or charger, which makes it ideal for those who already use Dualt's 20V MAX battery system. Key features of the saw include: powerful 460 MWO engine, provides consistent power for cutting through various materials, ensuring smooth and efficient performance on wood, plywood, and other construction materials. Bevel capacity of 0 to 50 degrees, offers versatile cutting angles, making it suitable for a range of tasks that require precise bevel cuts. Compact and lightweight, the saw's ergonomic design ensures comfort during prolonged use, and its lightweight construction allows for easy maneuverability. Product 13. Product name Fisker's 4-claw stand-up weed puller tool. The Fisker's 4-claw stand-up weed puller tool is a highly practical gardening tool designed to make weed removal efficient and comfortable. With its ergonomic 39-inch handle, this tool allows you to stand upright while pulling weeds, reducing the strain on your back and knees. The long handle ensures you can work without bending over, making it easier to tend to your garden for longer periods of time. This weeder features a 4-claw mechanism that grips weeds firmly and pulls them out, roots and all. The claws are designed to penetrate deep into the soil, allowing for effective removal of weeds even in compacted earth. One of its standout features is the easy eject mechanism, which lets you dispose of the weeds without touching them, ensuring a mess-free experience. Perfect for gardeners who value efficiency and comfort, the Fisker's 4-claw stand-up weed puller is an essential addition to any garden tool collection. Product 14. Product name Fantic F2 Master Mini Cordless Rotary Toolkit. The Fantic F2 Master Mini Cordless Rotary Toolkit is a versatile and compact power tool designed for a wide range of DIY projects, including sanding, polishing, drilling, carving, and crafting. Powered by a 4V Neopulse motor, this rotary tool offers 5 variable speed settings that can reach up to 25,000 RPM, providing precise control and power for detailed tasks. It features a Revo store hub that ensures smooth operation, enhancing both the tool's efficiency and longevity. This tool comes with 35 accessories, making it a complete kit for various applications, from intricate woodwork to automotive touch UPS. The cordless design offers maximum portability and ease of use, allowing you to tackle projects anywhere without the hassle of cords. Whether you're a hobbyist, crafter, or DIY enthusiast, the Fantic F2 Master Mini Rotary Tool provides the perfect balance of power, precision, and convenience, ideal for a range of tasks in and around the home. Product 15. Product name Dualt Drill and Impact Driver Combo Kit. The Dualt 20V MAX Cordless Drill and Impact Driver Combo Kit, DCK240C2, is an essential power tool set designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This kit includes 2 high-performance tools, a 20V MAX Cordless Drill and a 20V MAX Impact Driver, along with 2 batteries and a charger. Both tools are engineered for heavy-duty performance and offer a compact, lightweight design for ease of use and maneuverability in tight spaces. The cordless drill features a high-speed transmission with 2 speed settings, allowing for optimal drilling and driving performance across a range of applications, from basic home projects to more complex tasks. Its ergonomic handle and lightweight design reduce user fatigue, making it comfortable for extended use. The impact driver offers exceptional torque and speed, making it perfect for driving screws and fasteners quickly and efficiently.